Now dual employment is illegal. That is why corporate companies rejecting your profile, your background verification is failing continuously. You cannot join anywhere. Okay, even though if you try in small companies, big companies, wherever you go, if you create a dual employment, you can say, wantedly I didn't do the dual employment, or without my instruction they created PF account, or I am genuine resource, genuinely this has happened, I don't know what has happened. If you tell these kind of stories, no one ready to listen you. Okay, so this is what running right now, happening right now in the market, especially in IT industry. If you do the dual employment, or if you done the dual employment, corporate companies taking legal actions, they will send you notice, you need to respond, you need to face lot of cases actually. So please try to stop your dual employment. If you are doing the dual employment, you need to stop immediately, or if you did the dual employment, you cannot get the job actually. So that is why this background verification is not going in smoother way. Okay, there is an alternative solution I am giving to many people, they are utilizing. That is the only worst cases you need to use. That is the only one solution I can provide you. And don't expect to delete the entry, don't expect to remove the entry. That is not possible. I am also not blaming you actually. So what is can be done or what is cannot be done, that I can educate you. What action you need to take, that I will explain you or inject you clearly. Okay, so please try to understand, for dual employment no one accepts it. TCS, Wipro, IBM, Accenture, wherever you go you cannot get the job. For alternative solution, definitely I will help you. Especially for termination cases, many people are joining in the MNCs without understanding about background verification, without knowing about impact of dual employment. They are joining in big MNCs. They got termination letter along with legal notice. Now they are facing lot of problem. So if you have termination letter, if you could not able to reach or join into new organization, you can approach to me. If you are really interested, drop mail to me. You need to pay the consulting fee. Consulting fee is little bit big, because if I give very less consulting, too many people approaching to me, 100 plus people calling me every time, I could not able to respond back and properly, honestly speaking. And there are many people are wasting my time. Okay, that is why consulting fee is little bit high. Please try to understand. If you are facing problem, definitely only worst case solution is available. I am ready to provide you. Don't approach for TCS, don't approach for any other MNCs. You need to come with raw mind. I will tell you how to search job from the scratch. Okay, if you are okay, you do the payment and call me. Definitely I will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.